Hey Blessed Babes, this is the Kalia show, just in case you didn't know. Hey Blessed Babes, welcome back to my show. I'm a hot mess. I'm sorry I have not made a video in like a week because your girl got bronchitis. I don't know if you can still kind of hear it in my chest, but today I'm feeling better than I have been all week. It was bad, like I was crying and everything. Inserts clip. Yeah, it was no joke, but I was trying to thug it out and I was like not going to the doctor, and then finally I was like, okay, someone was like, you know, you need to go, like this is enough. So I finally just went to the doctor and they were like, yeah, you have a sinus infection and bronchitis. So they did me a little breathing treatment, gave me an inhaler and everything, and then like antibiotics, and boom, a few days later, here we are. Anywho, so today, as you can see, I have on my SABEAUTY babe shirt. So I am a brand ambassador for this company, and today I'm going to be doing a ponytail with some hair provided by the beautiful Cheryl. It's also her birthday, so shout out to her. Happy birthday, Cheryl. Yeah, so let's just get right into it. My hair is pretty greasy and dirty, the best. So I'm just combing it out with a paddle brush. I've been in the bed all day and I was like, all right, let me get up. Let me finally get up. Ugh. So once you have that all brushed out, oh, here's the hair. It's 22-inch loose wave. I've not used it yet. Ooh. It's so soft for one. Look how, Alright, so we're just gonna unravel it for real. This hair is so super soft, man. Just look how pretty it is. It is like so soft. It feels like my hair when I go to the Dominicans and get my hair done. All right. Oh, hunty, look. And we're gonna do a middle part. I'm gonna take some gel. And now that I got that on there, I'm gonna just go ahead and start attaching this. Just start with looping it around. And it's folded already, it's like it's folded into two. I just start with like putting it right there. Turn around. Putting it there, and I'm gonna put a bobby pin right there. So hold it on while I twist the rest. And then I'll just go underneath, find where the track is, and loop it around my ponytail. And then I just keep looping it around my real ponytail until we're done. keep going around and around. We're getting a call. She gotta wait 1 second. And then once I get to these end few pieces, I take it like this. I take the end and I wrap it under and around like that to cover up the track, if you can see it. And then take another bobby pin. And we're gonna stick that in. Like that. And then you can just like pluck it out. And the good thing about this hair, like you can straighten it also. But I wasn't doing all that today. I'm just gonna wear it in a cute little curly. And my hair, you can't even see my real hair. My real hair was like blended in there somewhere. But yeah, I'm just plucking it out, making it nice and thick and big. A nice bushy ponytail. Ugly popping. And then, can't forget the edges. So take your nice little handy dandy toothbrush and swoop them edges. So there you have it. Did my edges, plucked out the ponytail, and this is a cute little everyday look for real. About to go get my day started. Thanks for watching.